our channel, KASVENTURES. So today we are traveling from our home to Mexico and we are going to be making tacos. Why are we all dressed up? Why are we so into this? Well, today is actually Taco Tuesday and it's Cinco de Mayo. So how could we not do this? So today we are going to be making handmade corn tortillas. We are going to be making guacamole fresh and we are going to be making tacos. So join us, get ready for some good food and our take on the Mexican tacos as we travel from home to Mexico in this vlog.
Welcome to Mexican Tacos.
Today I will be eating tacos for two.
Alright guys, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to do some homemade tortillas. We've never done this before. So again, if we can do it, you guys can do it too. So what you're going to need, you're going to need a bowl, some maseca. We got another brand, it's called Pan, salt, and water. Okay? So you're going to mix it all together and you're going to make your tortillas. Now again, I've never done this before. So if we can do it, you guys can do it too. Then you're gonna add a cup of water. I'm gonna do half of the cup first, and then I'm gonna mix it, and if I feel like I still need to add more water, then I'll add more water. I can tell right away that I need more water, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of the water. Alright guys, so we've mixed it up. I've ended up using 2.5 cups of water. Like I said, this is trial and error. So all you do is you mix it up until it has the consistency of clay, and then you're done. You're ready to make your tortilla. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make a bigger ball of masa, an egg size masa. Put it in the middle again. Put the other plastic on top. Press hard. If you want your tortillas thick, then don't press that hard. If you want them thin, then you're gonna have to press. So, again, you're gonna cook them for about a minute. Now, if you don't have the presser, then your tortillas are gonna be thick. So we highly suggest you get the presser. You can go get one from one of the Hispanic stores or one of the Mexican stores in your city. Cook it for about a minute. Grab it from the edge and then flip it over. Alright guys, so after about a minute, you're gonna take the tortillas out of the skillet. So, this is what they look like.
Alright, up next we are going to be making some homemade guacamole. This serves as a perfect side dish or something that you could put on your tacos when we're done. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to need is a bowl. This is where we're going to be putting all of our ingredients in as we mix it up. The next thing that you're going to need is avocados, tomatoes and jalapenos, cilantro, salt. We're going to use limes. We're going to use the juice of the limes. And then the last thing is we're going to use some chopped onion. And then that is it. These are the ingredients for our homemade guacamole. First thing you have to do is you have to cut open your avocados. So you're going to cut them all into half. And then we have one more. So once you have cut open your avocados, you're going to need a spoon. And you're going to go ahead and spoon out the inside and you're going to put it into your bowl. This is my first time making guacamole. So if you're looking at me and you're thinking, what is she doing? It's okay. It's my first time. So when you do it, it could be your first time too. We'll do it together. So if you're judging my avocado peeling skills, same girl, same. All right, up next we're going to go ahead and slice up our tomato. Alright, up next we're going to cut this cilantro. Like I said, you do not want to use this entire bushel of cilantro. You're just going to do a little bit for the flavor. Alright, up next we're going to cut the jalapeno. Alright, once you finish chopping, you're gonna go ahead and drop that in with the rest of the mixture. Alright, next we're gonna cut up the lime. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna slice it in half so that we can extract the lime juice. You put the lime in here, and then from here you come over and you just squeeze the juice. It smells delicious. Since becoming pregnant, I have more of an aversion to onions smell, so I'm gonna go ahead and substitute for my other chef. So here you go. Whoa!
We're not gonna use the whole onion. We're probably just gonna use half. Once you got your onion chopped up,
Onion? What the heck is an onion?
pour it in the bowl.
Okay, first before you begin mashing, go ahead and take that seed out. We're gonna save it, put it to the side. That way we can easily mash everything up together, and then we'll put it back in at the end so that, like I said, it can retain that green color. All right, so we're gonna use this and we are going to mash it up. All right, here we go. All right. This is our guacamole. Oh my God, it tastes muy bien.
Alright guys, up next we got the meat. Alright, the most important ingredient in our tacos. So for that we're gonna need all this. Alright, we're gonna use some small bell peppers, we're gonna need salt, Mexican style al pastor seasoning, some onions left over from the guacamole, a little bit of oil, and beef and chicken, okay, for our tacos. So you're gonna chop up everything into small pieces. All right, now that you got everything chopped up, you're ready to cook. Oh, no bueno.
¿Eres tú, Chef Francis?
Add a little bit of the seasoning. And then for the chicken, we're gonna use sloppy mama.
Alright y'all, so that is it for our Taco Tuesday, Cinco de Mayo, Yummy in Our Tummy celebration. So again, we are thankful that you decided to travel from home with us. We are not letting this quarantine stop our fiesta, and we're glad that you aren't either. So again, thank you for traveling from your home to our home on a side trip to Mexico. If you like this video, don't forget to like us down below. Also subscribe to our channel so that you can get more videos like these coming up soon. Also, like us on Instagram and Pinterest at KASVENTURES, and don't forget to follow our blog, KASVENTURES.org. Until next time, adios!